Economics 101 teaches us about supply and demand. And we don't often think about this as small businesses or consultants or service providers, but we ought to, because ultimately we are playing in markets where the laws of supply and demand are governing the price, are governing who we work with, are governing how we work with clients. They're governing all these things. And these are almost invisible forces that we might not be able to see, but if we pay attention, we can start to identify and work with. And here's what happens. If you're a small consultant, solo consultant, small firm, boutique, you've got two options. Either you can play with the demand curve or you can play with the supply curve. Playing with the demand curve is pretty challenging, right? Because if you're a small firm in a big market, you probably can't create demand. You probably can't affect the demand curve. There's macroeconomic forces at play that create demand for a service. You probably have little to no impact on that. What you can do is choose a market with healthy demand. Absolutely. That's a choice that you can make. You have agency over choosing the market that you play in. If I'm you, I want a big market, healthy demand, growing demand. We work with independent boutique professional services firms. That is a big, big market. It's a healthy market and it's a growing market. It is not going away anytime soon. That is a smart choice. But where you really have agency beyond that is more so on the supply curve. Because on the supply curve, you have all of your competitors, all the other alternatives available to the client in the marketplace. And your agency here is in differentiating and distinguishing yourself from all the other options for the very specific clients that you want to work with, so that when they look at you, they don't see a supply curve and endless options of consultants and service providers. They only see you as the viable, most relevant choice for them. And when that happens, the supply curve shifts, the price goes up, you become the desired choice. You become the optimal choice, and you have all the power that comes with that now because clients need you more than you need them.